Most BMWs don't fail quietly. They wait until 60 or 70,000 miles, then they start emptying your bank account. Buy the wrong one, and you're not making a small mistake. You're stepping into a $15,000 problem. That number isn't dramatic. It's what real owners pay when the wrong BMW hits the wrong age. I've tracked these cars for over 20 years, not when they're new, not when reviewers are impressed. When warranties expire, mileage climbs, and the real ownership phase begins. That's where BMWs separate into two groups, the ones that survive and the ones that financially punish you.
Number 8. The 2006 to 2011 BMW 3 Series with the naturally aspirated N52 engine. People still buy this car because it's one of the last BMWs built before complexity took over. No turbochargers, no high-pressure fuel pump failures, just a straight-six engine that runs. It survives because there's less to fail, and what does fail is well understood. But reliability doesn't mean carefree ownership. The cooling system is the weak point. Plastic hoses, expansion tank, water pump. If you replace everything together, expect around $2,000. If you don't, you'll be chasing overheating problems repeatedly. This car isn't for people who panic over warning lights. Sensors fail often, usually harmless, always irritating. Prices range from $4,000 to $8,000. After 60,000 miles, budget roughly $1,200 a year to keep it dependable. Number 7. The 2011 to 2016 BMW 5 Series with the N55 engine. This is BMW correcting an earlier disaster. One turbo instead of two, fewer failure points, strong transmission. Owners like it because it feels premium without feeling fragile. Why it lasts comes down to maintenance discipline. Skip oil changes and the timing chain stretches. There's almost no warning and repairs can hit $6,000. This engine doesn't forgive neglect. Prices range from $12,000 to $20,000. If it's over 70,000 miles with no service history, walk away.
Number 6. The 2004 to 2010 BMW X3 with the N52 engine. This was BMW's compact SUV before weight and electronics exploded. It shares parts with the 3 Series, which keeps ownership manageable. Why it survives is simple. Proven drivetrain, common parts, predictable failures. The downside is the drivetrain hardware. Transfer cases and differentials leak, and ignoring them leads to $3,000 repairs. Window regulators fail often, cheap but frequent. It's not luxurious, the ride is firm, the interior feels dated, but it works. Prices range from $5,000 to $10,000 with the same cooling and oil leak expectations as the 3 Series. Quick warning, this matters. 2 BMWs you should never buy, no matter how cheap they look. Any BMW with the N64 V8 engine. X5, 7 Series, doesn't matter. Timing chains fail, oil consumption spikes, repairs reach $15,000 before 100,000 miles. These cars destroy budgets quietly. Stay away.
Number 5. The 2015 to 2019 BMW 340i with the B58 engine. This is BMW's best modern engine. Strong internals, better cooling, no built-in failure point. It survives because BMW finally learned from past mistakes. The problem isn't the engine, it's everything around it. Charge pipes crack, oil filter housings leak, electronics add cost. Reliable doesn't mean inexpensive. Prices range from $22,000 to $35,000, with about $1,000 a year in maintenance if driven responsibly. Number 4. The 2018 and newer BMW X3 with the B48 4-cylinder. It doesn't sound exciting, but it's one of BMW's most sensible powertrains. Strong timing chain design, simplified fuel system, fewer long-term surprises. Cooling components still fail, and replacements mean assemblies, not small parts. That pushes repair costs up quickly. Prices range from $30,000 to $45,000, and early reliability data is promising. Number 3. The 2014 to 2018 BMW X5 with the N55 engine. This is the version buyers get right by avoiding the V8. It offers space, comfort, and proven mechanicals. The trade-off is weight. Suspension parts wear faster, brakes cost more, labor times increase. Fuel economy isn't great, and premium fuel is mandatory. Prices range from $28,000 to $40,000, and maintenance discipline is non-negotiable. Number 2. The 2016 and newer BMW 3 Series with the B48 engine. This is the most rational BMW purchase you can make. Modern tech, manageable costs, and solid long-term reliability. The engine holds up. The failures come from owners skipping maintenance. Treat it like a Honda and it will disappoint you. Treat it like a BMW and it will last. Prices range from $20,000 to $30,000.
Number 1. The most reliable modern BMW. The 2016 to 2020 BMW 440i with the B58 engine. This is where performance and durability finally align. The B58 is overbuilt, smooth, and resistant to abuse. Expect oil gasket leaks and cooling repairs. Those are predictable. Plan roughly $1,200 when they happen. The engine itself is strong enough to justify the ownership cost. It's not practical, rear seats are tight, but as a driver's car, it delivers without self-destructing. Here's the reality dealers don't emphasize. Even the best BMW costs more than a Toyota. Parts cost more, labor costs more, insurance costs more. If that bothers you, BMW ownership isn't for you. If you own one of these, drop your model and mileage below. Did it survive or did it drain you? Real ownership stories matter more than reviews.